In this tutorial, we're going to learn two simple methods to crop an image in Affinity 3. For the first method, let's open the image file in Affinity. It doesn't matter whether you are in the Vector or Pixel Studio. This method crops the image using a shape tool. First, select any shape tool you want to use and draw the shape on the canvas. You can adjust the shape size in the Transform dialog box. Lock the aspect ratio if you want to maintain the shape's height and width proportions. Next, using the Move tool, position the shape over the area you want to crop. Then, drag the shape layer directly onto the image layer icon, not to the right or left of it. The image is now cropped. With this method, you can freely move and resize both the shape and the cropped area. To move or resize the shape, make sure you first select the mask, then resize or move it. Select the image layer icon first, and then resize or move the image as needed. If you want to fit the canvas to the cropped area, go to Document, Clip Canvas. To export the image with a transparent background, choose PNG as the file type, make sure Whole Document is selected, then click Export. Choose the destination location and file name, and click Save. For the second method, it's quite simple. First, create a new document at any size. Drag the image onto the canvas and adjust its position. Then activate the Crop tool, adjust the crop handles to select the area you want to crop, and press Enter on Windows or Return on Mac to fit the canvas to the cropped area. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.